And I hear that he's going to intensify his campaign. He can go on and do all the campaigns. He can do them in the churches. And I loved how General Asiedu gave it to him with superior intelligence and quick-wittedness. I loved that. I loved that. He can go to the churches. He can go to the fetish priests and do his campaigns.
Abuja for mamu nyina makwaba e de baga na nsem TV so. But so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications next time. Videos of this nature ba also sabit makabi. I'm Wadaroma. But so be subscribe to the channel dey my ba. Very very important. And I say abusuya. Nti yem wane abusuya sam ne yentrim kwa abusuya tenten de. Is priority ba kwa ebu ukabo embu. Ti yan widen ye family you know. The more and expanding because MPP when you call a project for 2028 because our target is that we would have to communicate for the party to come back to power. What does it? Ni na your do 2% boy in the ABM or that number that does here. O pick number now Richard here. Be about them Mr. President be a Mensabeka Madam was many best of answer. Now Busia politics. Yeah, now your politics are careful. Your politics are yeah, very, very careful. Now, and some of course, and some of course, papa.
Ohene. That bro for 2x4 now what's in Intino. And you will say you can talk to anybody, you can say things about anybody freely. Ohene, you did it. Oh yeah. The initial. Because of say if you are now no. Yeah, the initial. Because of if you are now you have started again. Ohene, yiba umiefi wenu. Ohene, yiba umiefi. Bema, hey, me for on here crab you. Bema, respect yourself. Buhu, any sen kapon ni ayi kajetia rubber now they go. What's this go Mohene? Be careful. Never in your lifetime talk about Dr. Bawumi again. What kind of stupid talk is that? Say even though he can do his campaign even when he's making love with his wife, are they? What kind of stupid talk is that? Ohene, Ghana Jollof. Eh, bra, Ohene.
And I hear that he's going to intensify his campaign. He can go on and do all the campaigns. He can do them in the churches. And I loved how General Asiedu gave it to him with superior intelligence and quick-wittedness. I loved that. He can go to the churches. He can go to the fetish priests and do his campaigns. He can do his campaign even whilst he's making love to his wife. But Eko Siaga. The people of Ghana have made a decision. And even the NPP people themselves have made this decision that come 2028, they will hand him the greatest defeat so that he will go and not be willing to ever come back into politics again.
Get that he's no longer campaigning and he's no longer allowed to visit violence on people, which is his forte. That's all he knows. Visit violence on people, ride motorbikes around in a horrendous manner, in an indisciplined manner, and visit mayhem on people. That's all he knows. We don't know why President Mahama has foisted this guy on us. He's at YEA. He's not doing. Yesterday, he went on a social media page. Instead of telling us what is happening at YEA to encourage the young people that YEA is working, this is what he wrote. YEA boss, look at what he wrote. That man called H.E. John Dramani Mahama, talk and do. What would Ghanaians have been without you? We are grateful, sir. The unborn generation is grateful. Oh, where is the thing he said the thing was used for, the plane was used for restaurants and Mahama has revived it? That's what I'm looking for. he said here that he's talking about the plane anyway. He said there's a new Air Ghana. So yesterday there was a report that Air Ghana is a company that has acquired a new plane for cargo purposes. Now, Malik Basintali comes on social media and thinks that the Air Ghana that is being talked about is the new Ghana Airways that President Mahama promised. I mean, viewers, can you imagine that? A chief executive of y0uth. He's so clueless, completely clueless. He doesn't understand anything. And he won't learn anything. Nobody has understanding from your mother's womb. We all learn. You can learn. There's no problem with that. People have been ministers at age 29. John Agyeta, for whom they don't respect, he was deputy minister at age 29. He learned. So you can learn. There's nothing wrong with learning. But this guy will not even learn. Put his photograph there. Please get me that, the post there, the other one. This guy will not even learn. He's so arrogant. He will not learn. And he exposes his ignorance every day to embarrass the government and the party. All the time. He's exposing his ignorance every day. Please give me his photograph. He's embarrassing the government every day because he doesn't want to learn. What he wrote is totally wrong. Air Ghana is a private company. It is just like a GPRTU man who is running a VIP, the bus that we take to Kumasi, VIP. And VIP outdoors 300 new buses. For VIP is a private company. It's made up of private people. And then they launch 300 new buses. And then government comes to say that, oh, we have delivered on our promise. That's what Malik Basintali has done. He doesn't know that Air Ghana is a private company. It's a cargo company. They don't take passengers to Ethiopia. They don't take passengers to South Africa. They don't take passengers to... They're a private company owned by the late, recently passed, may he rest in peace, y0uth. Malik Basintali. He doesn't have anything to say about y0uth. He goes on his Facebook page and he's writing, that's y0uth's photograph you're trying to give me. This is y0uth, very good friend of mine. He passed, unfortunately, one of the greatest supporters of Manchester United. y0uth is a great guy. This company belongs to y0uth. y0uth is the owner of the company. And for the last 5 years, y0uth has been trying to bring, this is the post I'm looking for. Thank you very much. This is Malik Basintali. He says, our Ghana Airways was collapsed and turned into a chop bar and named Latante DC-10 by Yanum, referring to the MPP. Thank God. And I don't even think that the DC-10 thing was done in the MPP era. If you check, it was actually in the John Mahama era. I don't think it was 2017. It was before 2017. We'll check, don't worry. Thank God Air Ghana is back after many years. God bless the reign of H.E. John Dramani Mahama. Your leadership is resurrecting things again. Oh, Malik Basintali. This is totally disgraceful. You are just exposing your ignorance every day. You are so ignorant about anything, you won't learn. How difficult is it to learn? Give me Charles Asari's photograph, please. Let me show how ignorant and lazy Malik Basintali is. Let me show you how ignorant and very lazy he is. Now, Charles Asari is here. Okay. Charles Asari is one of the most respectable corporate leaders in Ghana, I have to say. And many people were disappointed that he didn't find his way into John Mahama's cabinet table because he's an NDC person, okay? And Charles Asari used to be the Director General of SNIT. And Charles Asari was very young when he was Director General of SNIT. I believe he was 31 or something like that. And then earlier, before that, he was with EcoBank. And so he's a very decent guy. He was managing director of the Ghana Airports Company as well. Charles Asari is cool, you know. I don't know whether he himself declined politics because he suffered under politics quite a bit. And so it is possible that he said he doesn't want to do it again. I don't know. But if he didn't say that, he should have been one of those people around John Mahama's cabinet table. Such a big brain, very intelligent man, Charles Asari. Charles Asari here has been appointed by President Mahama a year ago, May 2025, to lead the resuscitation of the national airline. We used to call it Ghana Airways, and when Kufuor came, they changed it to Ghana International Airlines. Charles Asari is there. Malik Basintali is so lazy, so arrogant, that he couldn't pick up a phone and call Charles Asari when he saw the Air Ghana story to say, Chief, are we there? Are we where we are supposed to be? Did you bring the plane? So that Charles Asari will explain to him that no, Air Ghana has nothing to do with us. He can't do it. Latante, you see, they've just brought it to me. The plane converting to a restaurant was in 2013. You see how shameful and ignorant Malik Basintali is. Put Malik Basintali's post again. I'll come back to Charles Asari and Reddy Guzitano's photograph. You see, viewers, we have to be very serious in this country. You can't foster such ignorance on the people of Ghana as CEO of y0uth. But we knew all he knows is to visit violence on people. He doesn't have anything in his head and he won't learn. And he will command Land Cruisers that he couldn't afford in private life. This is him. Malik, the restaurant was done in 2013. Are you a child? Where were you? 2013 is when... put the post there again. Let me see. It's painful, isn't it? This is Ghana. It's so painful. Look at this. Look at this man. Look at it. He says that Our Ghana Airways was collapsed and turned into a chop bar. In 2013 is when this thing was turned into a chop bar. Who was president in 2013? Shame on Malik Basantale. Shame on his ignorance. And we should never have that in this country again. Ignorant people, ignorant, leading important things, empty head. He won't learn. We were all empty heads when we came from our mother's womb. But we learn. There's a phone. You can check. It's so simple. It's so easy. Mark Zuckerberg has made life easier for all of us. You can check. The guys at the American place where they do the IT, that city, what is it called? I'll get the name. Silicon Valley boys and girls have made it easier for us. Technology is working. Only Malik Basantale with his empty head does not understand that technology is working in Ghana. He's so empty. He doesn't even check basic things. You are trying to berate MPP for creating La Tante DC-10 restaurant. You don't know that La Tante was created in 2013 at the height of John Mahama's administration. 2013 is when it was created. Then you go and write Yadom. Charlie, this guy, hey, Ghana, this is our YEA boss. So he doesn't know that the plane that came has nothing to do with government. It is a private man who has been trying so hard over the last 20 years to secure his own cargo plane. He's a cargo company, so he uses DHL, he uses this, he uses that, he uses that. Air Ghana is Marwan Trabosi's company. It is called Air Ghana, but it's not for government of Ghana. It belongs to Marwan Trabosi. I mean, Malik Basantale, can't you just pick a phone and call Charles Asari, who has been designated by President Mahama to be in charge of the resuscitation?
One country also bempa. Sa papa na waya trokano. Say, Bawumia ni di ni Bible. Also bempa so one bomb paye. Emma Esurubiye, on Emma NDC buy, on Emma MPP buy. Also bempa say, onu ni nyankopono, onu na ochire di obeye president, also bempa bomb paye na CPP mra power. Also bempa, I am challenging your so-called God. Because said your workers no, and yen yami or boss solo ni asase, a boy yen na adini udene kasa. As answer me share Bible muno, di obe wuji yankwano, ni di yesu wone bempa. Nyami no obe wuji yan, obaji yankwano also bempa, on din kwala true. Nyami no obe wuji yankwano woni true. Also bempa, Yesu Kristo no obe wuji yankwano, won tutu ukuro. Ena wona matu once na edi MPP fuachi wo nyame se me meka ncho se wo de na once na pobi enti no ba bia ntimi ne wonten also empa cars bebrebe egu fie awunya di a wabo apo de ntro agie no also empa adenti no ba bia mbese ono tena. I just want to know. And to say once na the MPP achia, wo de once na pobi, and they did wachi. Matusala Job, unye nyan. Unwosa akani ase. Unye nyan so ba tanu fo ase. Ukwasi enimu ate. Ukwasi enimu. Wo mese wo srabi wo so. Ana wo na wo still to hine, esi hine a. Also bampa ma CPP for emra power. Ma CPP for emra power. Leja wo tete antes no ujimi ni wani bre no ekwom de wana apesa wo de Bawumi aye twa no Bawumi wonne wo kraso wonne wo shebraso wo church members nkwasiafo no wonne wo monum enne wo mo kranum enne wo mo maame awudie so aboa awudie funa kare wo wo so empa no Bawumi wonne mu bilimansa na wo ba kwasia se enna Duncan Williams no e ka kire ne se asafo for mo bone che na aboa wo ye wan na MPP for abesere bone fa che wo ho wo sepa cha yesa akola fufu obini wo ye wan wo so bempa wo kwasi animu kwasi atitito aboa wo diabetes wo ye wan ye kuro to 12 years ni entimi nko MPP for me pa wa che wo ansa no wa power kwasi ya wo dey train na dem ye mi wi awo me no ba chiche ni bini mama kwasi ya jimi aboa ye so kwasi a na wo srente so wo ba sa ya wate kwasi ya O shirt ni anwan said you ton wi wo bantam adwom. Aboa nchore wate. Was